How to animate your images for totally free. Mind you, it's not Grok AI. Grok has now become so expensive. Even if you subscribe for the super Grok, you are still limited. You cannot create videos the way you wanted. In this video, I'm going to show you how I animate my AI images for totally free using another AI tool. If you are new here, welcome here. My name is Lika Adebayo. On this channel, I show you how to monetize your social handles, how to monetize any platform that allows you to earn directly from your content. And if you need more AI videos like this, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be still updating more. Let's get into this tutorial proper. So the first thing I did is to go to ChatGPT to help me generate my storyline. So after generating the storyline, I told ChatGPT to also convert the storyline into dialogue, and from there I also asked him to generate the prompt to create the consistent characters because I don't want my character to look like this in this one and another one, so I needed it to consistent. Then I went ahead to ask for the scene prompt, how all the characters inside one particular scene per scenario. So I was able to also generate that with the prompt. So I just go ahead to one of the tools I use for generating images, use Meta AI to generate the image of the character. I use Flow AI to generate my scene images because of consistency. So I added the character images into prompts on Flow AI. So that's how I was able to generate the image from scratch. If you need the full guide on how I was able to do all this, the video is already on my YouTube channel. So now let's go into animating our images. Shati to help us to put this dialogue into scene. Okay, put it into scene based on the scene prompt he already given us. Okay, we can as well do that together right now. So let's just copy Shati, please put this dialogue based on scene. I mean, separate them based on scene you have given. Okay, so I click enter, then I entered the dialogue, and I click on send. So let's wait for Shati. Oh, okay, yeah, this is better. So okay, so guys, so we're using Arena AI this time. So arena.ai. So just search. Okay, so here on the Arena, guys, we're going to come right here. This is the interface you're going to see. You're going to sign up here. This is video, this is picture. So let's just click on that video. So it's going to turn to describe your video. Can you see that? Let me zoom back so we can have the best interface. Now let's go ahead and bring in image. Can you see the image is here? Now we're going to just paste, and while pasting, do speaking Nigerian English. Okay guys, so one thing about Arena is that Arena is a bit longer. It allows you to create a bit longer videos. So I think this dialogue might be too small for Arena, so we can just it's not compulsory, but we can try and add a bit. So I just went back to this Shati and come back to this next dialogue to copy. Oh, should we just copy this scene of the narrator, even though the narrator is not in the context? But what I plan to do with this narrator is to use a CapCut to bring in the voice of the narrator instead of me adding it to the context, because I felt their images is not there. So, well, if that be the case, we can still try out and see if Arena can also help with the narrator voice. So we're going to describe how the narrator is. The narrator, imaginary, should we say imaginary voice? Imaginary voice or imaginary voice. But you know what? I love to try new things. I want to see what Arena is going to do with this. Will Arena give us, or will Arena say, I don't know, I don't understand? Let's leave it to Arena, because there is no narrator in this scene. So let's see what Arena is going to do. So let's just click on send. It's able to create like 2 videos at the same time. So you can choose anyone. So there is assistance A and assistance B. Okay guys, so the video is ready. So let's click on it.
We helped him get here, yet he has left us hungry.
Okay.
This is not right. The feast ended, and the birds prepared to leave.
I feel like crying. That part of the narrator, I was like in my head, like, okay, I because the narrator is not included like in the scene, like I was like, let me just go and use something else to create it, like use my CapCut app to create it. But now that even Arena discovered that part, blow my mind. So let's try this second option because they told us to choose any of it. So let's click play.
We helped him get here. Yet he has left us hungry. This is
I think it's my network.
Not right. The feast ended and the birds prepared to leave.
Okay. Let's go back to the first one.
We helped him get here, yet he has left us hungry. This is not right. The feast ended and the birds prepared to leave.
Okay.
We helped him get here, yet he has left us hungry. This is not right. The feast ended and the birds prepared to leave.
Okay. So for you, which one are you going to choose? Okay. So for me, I'm going to choose the first one because it's all the words come out clearly. So what you're going to do once you are here is to just click here for download. Okay. There's the download button right here. Just click on download and it's going to automatically save on your mobile phone. Okay. So just click on download. So if you want to edit it, maybe you don't like it, you click on that edit to edit it.
We helped him get here, yet he has left us hungry. This is not right. The feast ended and the birds prepared to leave.
If there is any question at all you want to ask about your AI content, anything at all, let me know in the comments. Also, let me inform you guys that we have a WhatsApp community where we share minds together, where we talk together, where we carry each other along. So if you want to join, just go through the link in the description box of this video, yeah, and just join us there. And if you need a masterclass on YouTube Anonymous where you don't really have to show your face, just like this kind of video you're seeing right here, you want the blueprints, all the detail about that, how you can go about your YouTube channel and grow your channel fast. So I already put a link in the description box of this video as well. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new here, because every time like this we're going to be posting content that are going to be helpful to you. Okay, we're posting content that helpful for YouTube channel and your other monetizable platform. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until then, bye. I remain Yinka Adebayo. Bye.
Oh, I don't